said his taste buds is on another level. So if you say something good, I know it's good.
We got the dessert taquito.
Oh, okay. That's what do it.
About a year ago, me and Leo came in the kitchen and we created this fire dessert. And we never rolled it out on the menu. So basically we spent on the block and we got to do an official rollout for it. So by the end of this video, if your stomach is not growling, if you don't feel like you're starving, I guess I didn't do my job. All right, let's get into it.
Seasoned them with chicken dust, and then I rolled it up because we were learning because we were like, oh, we can smoke this, bro. Yeah. Because the cream is ready. If you want, taste it, because you'll remember it.
Yep, that's it.
That's
it. I remember that.
You know, 97, his taste buds is on another level. So if you say something good, I know it's good.
I gotta remember if I even know how to do this. I don't even know.
Simple. If you want, I'll roll it up. You can just stuff it if you want.
Okay, that's fair. That's fair. You know what?
No, you gotta do the whole thing.
Do the whole thing?
How do you not know how to roll? You
No.
all people.
No. I can totally roll. This is like a doobie though, right?
We grab strawberries and we line them up here.
Okay.
And then you put the cream over them.
Ah.
You put it with the seasoning and you roll it up.
Aight. Donnie Savage special, you know. I don't remember how much we put in here, but this is what's going in here.
You're good.
Okay. I might be OD. Salt Bae got canceled, right?
There you go.
I feel like he got canceled last year.
That one goes at the end.
At the end.
Yeah, that's
okay.
the cheddar. Here, there's I like, what are you on?
Gonna have to roll up.
That's a great idea. I'm with that.
Yeah. That's what we're gonna touch. That's what we touched it up with at the end, at the top.
Look like a regular, everyday, ordinary burrito, right? Absolutely not. It's not.
It looked like
Look at this.
from the outside. It looked like I know you did an ice cream burrito.
What?
Nice and golden brown.
Did it, Chef? Nice, man. You're here another day.
Ladies and gentlemen, Your Highness.
Once I get the ice cream in, we can even go and move this to the side just a little bit and put a scoop of horchata ice cream on the side. So when you serve it, you know, we just have to make it smaller.
Okay.
Like make it thinner.
Okay.
You put the ice for presentation and you stick it in the scoop of horchata ice cream and then we can still garnish it like that. You know what I'm saying?
I like that idea.
We can still garnish it like that. That looks dope.
Yeah.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Talk about.
Yeah, that's dope for the presentation.
Yeah, that looks great.
All right, so we're about to try Your Highness. You take the first one.
That roll was good.
Oh man.
Alright, that is not too sweet.
I'm still full of my teenage Taquito. Oh man, you know how to fry. Shout out to the fry man.
When it's hit the menu,
Yeah.
you gotta ask for this. But you gotta get the Donnie Savage version if you come here. Alright? If I'm sending you, I wanna know. Okay?
You gotta get the Donnie Savage version.
Absolutely.
I did 24 karat gold.
I remember you did that.
The barbecue sauce.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I done missed out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, appreciate you guys, man.
Oh, all love, man.
I'll be back soon.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Thanks for taking the time, Chef.
Let's do it.
Man,
so much.
amazing food.
It was nice
man.
meeting you. It's a pleasure.
Nice meeting you too. Thank you.
Those wings about to go crazy.
Oh yeah, you already know. Now, if you love this video, then you gotta go back and check out the video where we originally came up with the idea for the Your Highness dessert taquito. As you can see, it evolved into a burrito. I don't know how. And again, I'm not mad at it whatsoever. But right now, your taste buds should be doing backflips because we just tried so much amazing food. Whenever you decide to come to LA, or if you live in LA, now you gotta make it a thing. You gotta pull up the cilantro line. This is where it's at. Oh yeah, one more thing. It looks like we're already planning a part 2. We have to come up with some wings. There's a couple items that Trendy and Leo want to collaborate on. You know we're coming back. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we are on the road to 3K subs. Let's get there by January, all right? I'm gonna see y'all on the next one.